Oh.
Thank you for visiting the Jurong Bird Park and thank you for making history with us. Thank you for being here for the last high flyer show at Post and 50th. Give a clap for big hand. We will be starting the presentation really soon. I'm really honored to do that. But before that, we do have a few just reminders to make this a pleasant experience for all of you. Alright, so first of all, please remain seated as much as possible during the show, as there will be birds flying low above some of your heads. This is for your safety and the safety of the birds. And when the birds are flying low, hands down, do not reach out and touch them. Is that okay? You're more than welcome to take pictures or videos, but remember to turn off your flash, as these bright lights may distract the birds. If at any time you need to open an umbrella, you are more than welcome to do so, but do not raise it up when the birds are flying. I'm done with my announcements. So for the very last time, sit back, relax, enjoy, because it's showtime!
I'll just kindly wait behind the line.
I just want to see what's going on. How much? We hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends across the world. Speaking of feathered friends, I saw some of you turn and fly. Yes, a feathered friend is on stage. His name is Charlie. Yes, Charlie there is our bantam rooster. His role in this show is to appear from this cave and disappear into another cave. Enjoy the limelight for the very last time. Charlie! Oh, hey, isn't he cute? Yes, good job, Charlie. He's making his bantam chicken bowl. And in fact, bantam chickens are a smaller breed of chickens. Some of the locals might have seen more chickens in your neighborhood recently. Those are younger fowls, not bantam chickens, okay? Charlie? That's right, you have to make your way back home. A little bit more. That's right, because I had to invite Charlie's brother on stage, Chucky. Yes, Chucky is waiting very patiently to join us. So everyone, if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, the other bantam rooster. Hi, Chucky, this way. Can you see? And so how are you going to join me on stage, Chucky? Good afternoon. Good crowd, isn't it? That's right. Would you like to to join me on stage? He's looking at all of you. Look at that. He's posing. Would you like to join me right now? Right over here, Chuck. Right here? No? He wants to pose for one more picture. Did you see that? Okay, I'm going to go a little closer. Would you like to take a lick of me? Okay, he wants to pose for more pictures. We shall give you a few more moments, okay, since this is the last presentation. Where are you going, Chucky? I was looking for another angle. Now, some people think that chickens cannot fly. Chucky here is going to fly down on stage, okay? Right over here, Chucky. That's right. Look at that! He's so versatile. Okay, right over here. Oh. Let's give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that was great. He was looking for the perfect angle, yeah? Okay, and of course I'm going to give you a Chucky here with his favorite treat, some live worms, yeah? Thank you very much, Chucky. Look at that! Well done, okay. Just in case you meet that chicken part earlier on, I'm going to put him on the stage and he's going to fly back home, okay? Ta-ta, Chucky. Can we give Chucky a big hand, ladies and gentlemen? A flying whisper. Thank you. Let's continue the show right now by highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild macaws, they love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. We're going to touch something what's on this tree. Everyone, let's welcome the bird, shall we? Look right back there. Anytime you're all set, Adrian, our scarlet macaw, will be joining us. Wow, look at that. What a nice fly. That's right. Now, if you want to see more parrots, do visit the Parrot Paradise. And in fact, the largest species of macaws are known as the high-sea macaws. Very beautiful birds. Do pay them a visit. So after feasting in the wild, parrots like them would then fly to rocky surfaces like these, for example, to lick up on chalk or clay, and this will help them with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Well, looks like Adrian is done with his reward, and that is definitely his next stop.
Hi, Lee.
Sir, who's that with you?
Now, everyone, this is EP, and he is our Go Green for Wildlife ambassador. Now, he's so environmentally conscious that whenever he sees litter lying around, he will pick it up and throw it into a correct bin.
Are you sure that EP knows how to recycle?
Yes.
Okay, this I have to see, everyone. I have different kinds of recyclables with me. Paper, plastic, and metal.
Okay, now to prove this, I have bins too. Now, let's watch this. Now, the first one here, now this one is for paper. Center one here, this one is for metal.
Okay.
And the last one here, now this one is for plastic.
Perfect.
Material.
Okay, let's watch EP in action, shall we?
Okay, EP, let's prove it to them. Well done, EP. 2 more to go. That was fast. Last one.
Okay, shouldn't be a problem lah. Last spin, right?
No problem.
Let's watch it, everyone. Oh, I spoke too soon. Sir, it's not tall enough to reach the bin.
Okay, I tell you what, not to worry, I have EP's cute little stool here. Pass it to him and let's see what he does with it, okay?
EP has a stool. Really, EP? Is this yours? Oh, he places it right in front of the bin. I'm going to place in the bottle a second time, right? EP?
He stepped on the stool and he's victory! Well done. Now, plastic waste has invaded our water to an extent it has killed more than 1 million of birds and animals every single year. Now, plastic found in their natural habitat will actually harm wildlife when you consume it or even get entangled in it. Now, for these reasons, plastic, they are also known as the deadliest monsters.
Deadliest monsters, you say? But
Yes.
everyone, if EP, the parrot, can learn to recycle, I'm sure we can do likewise. So now everyone, let's bin our litters right to help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. Having said that, thank you very much, Sa'ad and EP! And the Jurong Jurong Bird Park, we give our birds fun activities to do, just like what they would do in the wild. We call that enrichment. We have trainer Mitra up there. She has made her way into the crowd. Okay, she's holding on to an enrichment device. For this act, the birds will be flying low above some of your heads. Remember, when the birds are doing that, hands down and do not reach up and touch the bird. Alright, especially for the people in this area. Is it okay if the bird flies low? Very good. Okay, just get your cameras and videos all set and ready and enjoy the process. Is our volunteer all set in position? Everyone look on stage and let's welcome our beautiful ponies. Oh! Okay, I think we have some more joining the team. Can you see your friends? They're calling for you. Off they go! Are they gonna land? Well, then let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you look closely, we actually have two species of conures, okay? The ones with more wing feathers on their backs. Those are the Gen-day conures, and the rest are sun conures. Conures, despite their small size, okay, they're not baby parrots. Okay, these are full-grown adult sun conures, and as you can see, parrots, they come in all sizes. Very good. So, Mitra will be needing a few volunteers, but please do not run to her. Okay, raise your hands and go to her only if you are chosen as a volunteer. Now, talking about the enrichment device, the volunteer is holding up right now. It is a rope tied into knots, and what we have done is we have hidden some treats and fruits inside for the birds to find. Okay, in this way the birds get some kind of exercise when they get to their favorite treats. Okay. Now, speaking of treats, they go for all kinds of nuts. They love walnuts, hazelnuts, and even macadamia nuts. Oh, nice. Okay, I think one last volunteer before the conures head back home. Oh, the conures are really enjoying the limelight right here today, aren't they? Very good. Okay, I'm going to stand right here so that I can guide the conures back home. Now, in the wild, these birds are very sociable. Usually, you see them in hundreds of them. So, can you imagine a huge flock of sun-colored conures? How colorful but noisy that would be. Oh, okay. Actually, home is that way. You flew a little too high. Oh, can you hear them? Very high-pitched screech, and they are not even using the microphone, yeah? Okay, I think that's their way of communicating. Your friends have already gone that way. That's right. This way, guys. Right over here. Can we give him a big round of applause, everyone? Right here. Okay, he wants to stay up there, no mind. It's okay, let's give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful ponies. Is their ability to copy sounds. In the wild, they do that as a form of social communication. Thank you very much, Ronnie. She has kindly brought me a yellow named Amazon parrot. Oh, did the Ronnie do that already? Oh, that was very good. Thank you very much. Alright, I'm going to do some talking, not me, the parrot, I mean. That's right, so that's why we've got the microphone. Are you ready? Can you say hello? And of course, he's going to introduce himself. Tell them your name. Amigo! Did you catch that? Amigo. One more time, your name. Amigo! Amigo has a very cheerful voice. How else can you reach all these nice people? Oh, you. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? That's better. Amigo here is also a really smart parrot, and he's going to count from 1 to 10. Okay, everyone listen. Can you count for us, Amigo, in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's that? Oh, okay. You have to come on stage for the very last time. Very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to
Big John, our silver-crested cockatoo. Hello, Big John. He's such a star, he faces his back to the audience. Big John is a veteran of this department, and he has been performing for more than 50 years. 50. That's right. Yes, right. Big John, I know you're kind of a star, but would you like to at least say hello? Say hello. Not bad, not bad. Okay, I'm sure you can stay and watch the show, alright? But as long as you keep quiet, you're more than welcome to stay. Is that okay? He's going to post for some pictures for the last time. Yeah. Alright, now Amigo is not done yet because he's going to count in a second language. Alright, he counted in English. Let's hear it in Chinese. Big John and pay him some attention, shall we? But over 50 years, he has picked up 5 mimics. That's the hello, hop, chicken, laugh, and bye-bye. Let's see if I can coax him to do other mimics, okay? You did the hello just now. Can you show us how you hop, hop? No, I will hold the microphone. You don't need to hold, okay? He's trying to hold the microphone. Can you turn around at least? Can you turn around? Okay. Divas. Okay. Can you please hop?
Okay, duduk.
That was very realistic. Okay, how about the chicken? That was me. Big John, the chicken. Okay, no chicken. How about the la? Not in a very jovial note, obviously. Okay, but some people are very surprised when we tell you that cockatoos like Big John is already 50 years old. In fact, okay, cockatoos, they outlive us, they can outlive us, and some of them can even live up to 70 to 80 years with the right kind of care. Right? Very long-lived birds. Alright, Big John, as long as you stay here, Amigo is going to continue singing. The first song he'll be singing for us is a local children's song entitled Parrot, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay, it goes something like Parrot, come papa. Let's hear it from Amigo in Mandarin. Parrot, yes, Parrot, my word for word. Second song originates from Indonesia, Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means the feelings of love. Amigo, Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, catchy tune. Rasa is an English song, but before Amigo sing, did you know that today is Jurong Bird Park's birthday?
Oh.
The bird park opened its doors in 1971, 3rd of January, am I right? That's right. So Amigo is going to sing a birthday song for the bird park. And for anyone else who's celebrating a birthday, anyone else from this section, birthday today, who shares with him, oh, happy birthday, you're in the right place. How about the center section? And yes, birthday people, very good. And the last section over here, yes, very good for all who are celebrating our birthdays and for Jurong Bird Park. Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you very much, Amigo. That was adorable. I think these two birds have done a wonderful job. Yes, that Big John, you did a very good job posing as well. It's time for him to head back home. Can everyone say bye-bye, Big John?
Bye-bye, Big John.
Big John, can you at least say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Amigo, can you say bye-bye as well? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's give it up for Amigo and Big John. After watching Amigo perform
you might be tempted to get yourself your own pet parrot. But please remember, parrots like them, they need a lot of time and commitment. And like I've said earlier on, certain species of parrots are even known to outlive us. So please bear that in mind before getting yourself your own pet parrot. For our next act, the birds will be flying low above your heads. So for those who've just arrived, just a gentle reminder to remain seated and put your hands down when the birds are flying close to you. Next two birds joining us are going to show us how loving hornbills can be. Keep your eyes right at that corner. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Beautiful bird, isn't she? In fact, great pied hornbills are the largest blind hornbills that can be found in this region. We'll be coming a little closer to some of you. Posing for pictures over there. There you go. In a while, when the female hornbills nest, they will look for holes or even cavities in trees. If you look over there, we have a hut with a nest box. And that nest box is similar to what we give our birds to nest right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Looking at all of you as well, oh, look at that! That's the vocalization of a great pied hornbill. She's pretty excited. So people left and right, minimal movement. Look at that! Okay, so in a few moments time, I'll be turning her so that she can face the hut and she can check out her nest box. That was close, wasn't it? Okay, ready? A little hop to the right, Vicky. She's inspecting the interior of the nest box right now, and if she likes it, she will then hop right in. We'll give her a few moments to figure things out, okay? Did she go in already? That was fast. So what happens is that female hornbills will seal themselves inside the nest. In the wild, they use materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. The hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Vicky, if you like the next, you can fill it up. No! That was the speeded up version. Are you still in there, Vicky? There she is! Everyone remain seated. Look right back there. Let's welcome Sunny! Sunny is Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. So if you remember the female hornbill is inside, male hornbills will then have the task to feed her. In fact, he has to do this for 3, sometimes up to 4 months. You want to look for more food, Sunny? Oh, he's looking lovingly at his wife, I think. Okay, people in that section, get your cameras and videos all set and ready. Sunny will be flying that way, okay? Are you all set, Sunny? Now in the bird park, we have been quite successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. Now Oriental pied hornbills are not as big as the great pied hornbills. Whoa! Very nice. That's why Oriental pied hornbills are only about half the size, black and white with ivory beaks. Okay, many Singaporeans, we have seen them in the neighborhoods, okay? Very important thing, if you encounter the hornbill in your community, please refrain from feeding them. Because if you feed them, they'll lose their natural instinct to forage. Hi, James. Are you here to call Sunny? Okay, very good. Cameras, videos, all set and ready. Once Sunny is all set, you'll turn around, hopefully, and fly down to James. If you want to check out more hornbills, everyone, we do have a hornbill and toucan exhibit. It's only about 5 to 8 minutes walk right up this way. Here he comes! Take 2. Much better this time, ladies and gentlemen, our hornbill! More parrots will be joining us on stage. Our parrots are also known to gather fruit for their young, especially during the nesting season. So we're going to have a little competition, and of course all of you are the supporters. So people from here all the way to the top and to my right, you will be supporting
Toasty here is our blue and yellow macaw. Can you clap your hands? And go Toasty, Toasty, Toasty. Try to be louder and green, okay? People on this side. You will be supporting Stanley, the green macaw. You clap out of course you go Stanley. Stanley. Very good. In fact, the louder you cheer, the faster the parrots are going to cheer or run. I know. Right. So we have a hollow tree trunk, and each parrot has to bring home 4 fruits each. Everyone, get ready to make some noise. What's ready? Let's go. Everyone, Toasty has to finish the game. Toasty, Toasty. But the winner is Stanley. Hey. Oh, Google, that was so close. What? You speak what language? She said, Toasty said it's just a warm-up, excuses, eh? What do you want now? One more game. If you think Toasty deserves a second chance, give me 2 thumbs up. Oh, so many. Even people on this. Okay. We shall have one more game for Toasty, okay? Toasty supporters cheer louder. Stanley supporters keep up the good work. Alright? One more. Okay, very good. Everyone, are we ready? Birds ready? Let's go! Let's come back! This time the winner is Toasty! We have a draw this afternoon. I think both birds and trainers did a wonderful job. Let's give them a big hand, everyone! Our food selection macaws. Thank you. And with that, everyone, we've also come to the grand finale, but don't go anywhere just yet, okay? I'm sure the birds have amazed you, and some of them may have even made you laugh. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that we have met today. We can all help them by making sure that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. You and I, we do have the power to choose what we buy. So together, let us make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. Looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, there will be more birds joining us on stage. Let's get started. First up from Africa, our great white pelican. From the land down under, our Australian pelican. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's
Lynn, Wani, Guga, Saad, Sarah, James, Mitra, Azwan, and we have two other staff, Shahriam, Sabrina, and Azza at Mandai preparing for the move. Together, for the last time, from all of us at Pools Amphitheatre, have a wonderful day. Thank you and goodbye. Memorable pictures, and for those who are staying on, we're going to have a reception of the window, so if you're interested, do stay on for that. In the meantime, we'll pose for more pictures. Thank you! But I've said earlier on, we are having a photography session in our flamingos. If you're interested, the queue is starting right over there. Mitra is helping me organize the queue, so please listen to her instructions. Alright, the first one is the lady with the hat. She came to me. Okay, so the rest of you queue up in a straight line behind her. No extra charges, but you have to be willing to queue. As you know, it's quite crowded today, so you'll be standing in line for a while. So if you do not mind that, join the queue. Do not queue on behalf of the others, and please do not cut the queue. Thank you very much. For the welfare of the flamingos, we'll be staying on stage for a maximum of 30 minutes. If we have to stop the queue at any time, please, I seek your understanding. And hopefully the rain doesn't come down and go there. Okay, let me get the Parrot back home first. Thank you very much. Okay, so let me explain what's going to happen. Two standing persons are allowed on stage at any one time. So if you have a big family, you do have to split up the group. Two standing persons. If you're holding a child, that's considered as one. One more person can join you. Okay, so you will come in this way, stand here, behind the line. Please do not touch the birds. Once you're done, exit is that way. Your hands will be sanitized out this way. Alright? I think I didn't miss any points. Okay, let me see. Okay, people out there, you can still continue to queue.